Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of seeds and their amazing health benefits. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber, making them an easy and delicious way to boost your health. First up, chia seeds, a favorite among health enthusiasts. These tiny seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health and brain function. Chia seeds are also loaded with fiber, helping regulate digestion and keep you full. Try adding chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or making a delicious chia seed pudding. Next, flax seeds, another nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds are known for their high lignin content, linked to improved hormone balance. Remember to grind flax seeds before consuming them to unlock their full nutritional potential. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds. They're packed with essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function and blood sugar regulation, while zinc supports a healthy immune system. Enjoy them roasted with a sprinkle of sea salt, or add them to trail mixes and salads. Sunflower seeds are more than just a tasty treat. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and selenium, vital for thyroid function. Vitamin E is also important for skin health and a strong immune system. Enjoy sunflower seeds on their own, sprinkled on salads or in homemade granola bars. Hemp seeds are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. They're also rich in omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkle them on salads. Sesame seeds are a surprising source of calcium and iron. Just 1 ounce provides a significant amount of your daily calcium needs and iron for red blood cell production. Enjoy sesame seeds in hummus, tahini, or sprinkled on stir-fries and salads. Pomegranate seeds are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Enjoy them on their own, sprinkled on salads, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Quinoa is actually a seed and a complete protein source. It's also gluten-free and rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium. Enjoy quinoa as a warm breakfast porridge, a base for salads, or as a side dish. Amaranth is a complete protein source, high in lysine and calcium. Lysine is crucial for growth and immune function, while calcium is important for strong bones. Enjoy amaranth as a warm breakfast cereal, in soups, or popped like popcorn. Cumin seeds are known for their digestive benefits. Add cumin seeds to curries, stews, or sprinkle them on roasted vegetables for a flavor and digestive boost. Fennel seeds aid digestion and reduce bloating. Enjoy fennel seeds after meals, chew on them to freshen breath, or brew them into a soothing tea. Caraway seeds help relax digestive muscles, reducing gas and bloating. Add caraway seeds to breads, sauerkraut, or sprinkle them on roasted vegetables. Mustard seeds have anti-inflammatory properties and are a good source of selenium. Use mustard seeds in marinades, dressings, or sprinkle them on roasted vegetables. Poppy seeds are a surprising source of calcium and phosphorus. Enjoy them in baked goods, sprinkled on salads, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Basil seeds, also known as sabia seeds, are known for their cooling properties and fiber content. Add soaked basil seeds to smoothies, lemonade, or make a refreshing basil seed pudding. Don't spit out those watermelon seeds. They're a good source of magnesium and iron. Roast watermelon seeds for a crunchy and nutritious snack. Grape seeds are a concentrated source of antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins. Look for grapeseed extract supplements or enjoy grapes with their seeds for a boost of antioxidants. Kiranji seeds are a good source of protein and vitamin B1. Add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on desserts, or use them in savory dishes. Nigella seeds have powerful antioxidants and immune-boosting properties. Use them in savory dishes, sprinkle on bread, or add to smoothies. Fenugreek seeds help manage blood sugar levels and have anti-inflammatory properties. Use them in curries, stews, or brew into a tea. Thanks for watching. We've covered 20 amazing seeds packed with health benefits. Incorporating just a few of these seeds into your daily diet can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you next time.